Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue team official channel. Today I'm CHHUOY again and I will teach you how to add, uh, how to make color video to black and white video with a slow motion of talking. I think a lot of people, or it is the most popular style that have been using a lot of in social media, like TikTok, Real, Short, or anything. They always do the same of the styles, and it makes all the audience is very happy and love for every video. So to do that, we're gonna add the file source first. Now I have one file source that you can see the original link in my description below, so you can go ahead and watch him directly from my video here. So now I'm gonna click at the add source here, and now we're gonna drag it like this. So okay, now we're gonna keep to this one to make it match to the screen creation, and we're starting from this place. So first we're gonna cut it out like this, and now we're gonna play it for a little bit.
Sorry, do you speak English?
No, I don't speak English.
Okay, now we're gonna use a small of this clip here, and um, it should be fine. And to make it is become black and white. So to do that, we have to make sure that you drag it like this to make it easy to edit of the previews. Okay, now we're gonna find the starting point of he is talking here.
No, I don't speak English.
Okay, now we're gonna find the starting.
English.
No, I don't speak English.
Okay, this point here.
No, I don't speak English.
Okay, and the end point is here. So cut this place, and we're gonna drag it small and make the copy of this drag here and pass it here. Okay.
No, I don't speak English. No, I don't speak.
Okay, now the thing that we're gonna do is to make this last clip is became black and white. So to do that, we're gonna find something that is called effect here. So go ahead and find the effects, and you will see something like this. It is a willow here. It is on the top of the effects. If you can't find it, you can search the name of the search box here, and after you find it, you can drag it to this place, and make sure that you have to trim it that similar to the clip that you want to. So now let's get play it again, and everything will be turned to black and white.
No, I don't speak English.
And we have to do more steps to create a slow motion of his talking here. So now I'm gonna.
I don't speak English.
Okay, starting from.
No, I don't. I don't speak. I don't speak.
Okay, now we're gonna cut it from this place.
I don't speak English.
And the ending point here. And now we're gonna drag it to this and make the copy of this talking clip here and pass it here. And now we're gonna see one more thing.
No, I don't speak English. I don't.
And this place we're gonna make a slow motion of talking. We typically press Control and drag it like this, or you can right click on that and you're gonna set to speed and duration here. So thing that we're gonna do is to drag it down like this.
Don't speak.
Okay, it is like this.
I don't speak.
Okay, it's too much slower, so we're gonna increase more speed to make it fit. Now I'm gonna use 50.
I don't speak. I don't speak.
Okay, and this place we're gonna add some black and white also.
I don't speak.
And we have one more step to do is, I think it is gonna fit the duration, so we're gonna add more like this. So now we're gonna drag it to be more increasing to 60. It should be fine here.
Oh, I don't speak.
And the next step that we're gonna do is to zoom into sorry, I'm on the wrong click here. The next step is we're gonna go to the zoom in of his face. So go ahead and click on the tracks here by pressing Alt plus C or right click on that and go to crop and zoom. And then select on pen and zoom here. So you click on the outside here because on this place we have one more two-step different. Is one is inside and the other is outside. So first you need to click outside and select the ending point to the place that he wants that pointing to his mouth. And the next is we're gonna drag it like this and like this and like this and zoom it to his mouth like this. So and now after we have already done here, you're gonna click on OK. So everything is gonna be zoomed to his face now. Let's get play again.
Oh, I don't speak.
Okay, now
Oh, I don't.
now
No, I don't speak English. No, I don't speak English. Oh, I don't speak English.
okay, now the speed it should be more longer. It is more slower. Okay, now I'm gonna doing with the faster way is by pressing Control and drag it like this. So now it should be like this here. And
Oh, I don't speak English.
okay, the zoom is too strong, so now go press Control Z again.
Oh, I don't speak English.
Okay, Control Z again. Okay, now we're gonna Control Z.
Oh, I don't speak English.
Okay, the zoom is too much. Now we're gonna change the zoom. Sorry. Now go to select to edit the zoom again and don't make it too much. Don't make it too much zoom in. So gonna increase some size like this.
Oh, I don't speak English.
Okay, now.
Oh, I don't speak English.
Okay, now we have already, I think.
No, I don't speak English. Oh, I don't speak English.
Okay, now we already done with that. So I hope you guys understand about it, how to make it zooming or the speed or blacks and whites like this, because a lot of people they have asking me how to do that with Filmora. So I think you guys make it probably if you see something wrong. If you don't like that clip, you can delete it and pass it again to display by pressing Ctrl V, and we see the original clip is appearing
I don't
like.
speak English.
Okay, now the thing that we're gonna do small step is I will show you how to fix it properly to you. Okay, like this.
I don't speak English.
Okay, now it is gonna fit. Now everything is fit. And the next step we're gonna go to the pan zoom like this, and then we're gonna find the pointing um, of his mouth. So everything is gonna be in the pointing. Click on outside and find the middle point of his mouth. So you're gonna fix it like this, and then go to drag it to the zoom to zoom to his mouth like this. And okay, it is the middle point of zooming here. Now go ahead and play it again.
No, I don't speak English. I don't speak English.
Okay, now
No, I
again.
don't speak English. I don't speak English.
Okay, this is the way that we gonna be using or making the zoom video with blacks and whites with the zooming motion of the video that generally used inside social media like TikTok, like YouTube short or reel or anything. So thank you guys for watching this video, and the original video is completely put the link in the description below. So go ahead and watch the full video of the original of this video. Thank you.